Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to the brand new series of SQL where different concepts of the SQL is going to be cleared. First, we are going to discuss that what is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, which it is a language which is used to uh, do different kind of queries. We will be asking different queries, and based on that, the answers we will be getting. Now, in today's world, there are different kind of tables we are using. Different kind of databases we are dealing with. So all these databases can be managed by different kind of DBMS. So SQL is one of the kind of DBMS. So first, what is DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. Database Management System means the management system by which we can manage different databases. Now, what are databases? Databases are the place where we can store the data. So the place where we are storing the data is called as database. Now, what is data? Data is raw facts and figures that everyone knows. So the normal DBMS that only stores the data, but there will be no relation between the tables because table is a very major component in a database. Now, if we want to link with different table, if we want to deal with different table, we want to find out the data from different table, then we have to use the RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System. So MySQL comes under this one. RDBMS. That is Relational Database Management System. And whenever we will be dealing with the RDBMS, we will be mainly focusing on different type of commands because this kind of language, that is the DBMS, it depends on some commands. Because if I will show you the screen, this is the screen. Here we will write some command. We will type some command. Based on that, SQL is going to work. So I will first clear that what are the different kind of commands, what are the different categories of command in SQL. The first one is DDL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. Means the language which is used to define the databases. So create, alter, drop, these are coming under this kind of category. Second kind of category is data manipulation language, that is DML. In data manipulation language, we can manipulate the data by using different commands. Insert, update, delete, these all are coming under this category. The third one is DCL. DCL stands for Data Control Language, where we are going to control different databases in different ways. Grant, revoke, these all are the different commands which are coming under DCL. And the fourth one is the TCL, that is Transaction Control Language. Here we are controlling different kind of transactions. Commit, rollback, these all are the different kind of transaction control commands. So these are the four types of command categories which we are dealing in SQL. So now, without wasting any time, let us directly move to the practical part of it because practical is most essential in this. I'll be uploading different videos for this, different short videos I'll be preparing, and I'll be uploading in my own YouTube channel, that is Future Coder AI. And you have to check all the videos. Then your every doubt is going to be clear. And if you will like this one, please write in comment. And if you need any kind of help regarding this, also I will request you to write in the comment box. So let us continue with the normal comments. But first, as I have said you the database, so I will show you different databases which are present under this particular DBMS system, RDBMS. So I have written what? Show databases. Show databases is a command which is going to show you all the available databases. So these are all available databases which we have. So if you will think about what is database, let me give you one example. Database is like an umbrella. Under that umbrella, different persons are standing. Here we will be keeping different tables under the same umbrella. So at first, I will try to create a database of a name called school. So the database which I will create for that, what I will write, I'll write create. What I want to create, database. So I will write here database, create database. Then I have to give the database name. So let me write the database name as school. Right now, I'm just considering that I'm dealing with a school's data. So that one I am writing. So create database school. You will see that query is okay and one row affected. It's very simple. It's like the normal English sentence that create database, the database name school. So the database is created. Now we will enter in the database and we will do different work under the database. So for that, we are going to write here use, because we are going to use the database. So write here use, then the database name. So my database name is school. I have written here use school, then semicolon and enter. Remember, semicolon is mandatory. It is denoting the end of the statement. So you have to mention it after every statement. So here you can see a message that database changed. Database changed means what? The database which you are using, that is changed now. I'm just trying to zoom it in so that you can see it in a proper way. Now I think it is visible. So database changed. Now here we are going to create the tables. So I hope the concept is clear. First, what we have did, we have given the comment show databases. Why we have given the comment? So that we can see different databases which are available here. And it is also helping us to like check that what are the available databases. Otherwise, we can sometime we can give the same kind of names. Like here, I have created a database called school. I don't know the whether this database is prepared or not. So by mistake, I have written here create database school. It's showing us a error message that can't create the database school database exist. So how to know that whether the database is exist or not? For that, before starting, you will be writing this one show databases, and the doubt will be clear that what are the different databases present over here. Now, as we are already inside this, we are already using this database. So let's try to create some table under the database. So to create the table, we will write here create what we are going to create now, table, then the table name. So let us think the table name I am giving here as student details, student details. So here what we are going to create, we are going to create the table. So at first in DBMS, in the RDBMS, in MySQL, we are going to create the skeleton of the table. Means data right now I will not enter. I'll just create the skeleton, the structure of the table. So for that, what I have written, create table student details. Then we have to mention the fields. So here different fields we are going to write. As in the school, the admission number is there. So I have written here admission number, then STD name. This is the student name, and class and class. So these fields I have written, but here I have written admission number. So I have to mention that what kind of data I am going to enter in admission number. I also have to mention, because I said that we are going to create a table skeleton. So skeleton means the structure we have to prepare properly. So here I have mentioned the field name, that is admission number, student name and class. But after writing this one, we also have to mention the data type of this particular field. So admission number I have given. I am keeping the admission number type as integer. Okay. INT stands for integer, and I am giving it a size called suppose 20. Then student name I am keeping here as varchar. Varchar is one of the type where we can enter some characters. So I am keeping it as 20. And class, this one also I am keeping as varchar, and the size I am giving it as 5. Done. So now my total command is completed. I have written what? Create table, then the table name. After that, the field name followed by its type. Between that, the space will be there, comma, then second field name, again some one space, and after that, the type of that, then again another field and space and another type and the size of that. So this I have given. I am pressing enter. So you will see that query okay, zero rows affected. Means our table is created now. How to see that whether the table is created? Earlier we have used one command called show databases. Here we will use the command show tables. It is going to show you the available tables in your database. Right now I have already changed my database to school. So in school it is showing that only one table is present. Now I am going to create another table. The good thing about MySQL is uh, once you have written one command, if you are going to use the same command in same day, same time without closing the application, you can just press the up arrow. You will see that all the commands are coming. Now what you will do? You are going to change the values so that you don't have to write the complete commands. So here I am giving the second table name as student record. I am keeping one common field, that is admission number. So why I am keeping this one? Because whenever you will be creating a table, you will because we are dealing with the RDBMS, so we are going to link different tables and we are going to use different tables after linking. So for linking, one common field is required. At least one common field is required. Here admission number I am keeping as common. Why? Because admission number is unique number. We know that. We can set it as primary key also. Later on, I'll be showing you that how to make it primary key. Right now, I'm keeping it very simple, very basic, and I'm just showing you how to create a normal table. So admission number I have kept, type I have kept as integer, and here I am changing it. Suppose I am keeping here, I'm keeping here student admission number I have given. Let us take fees here, and fees I am keeping as integer. Size let it be 20. Another field I am keeping here, that is what I can keep. Class I have taken. This I have taken. Let us take contact number. Contact number. And the size, the type, let it be worker, because we will not be doing any addition or subtraction in the contact number. I am keeping it as worker, and the size of the contact number I am keeping as it is of 10 to 10 characters, so I am keeping it 12. So this is the table, second table, a name student record, where I have kept admission number, fees, and contact number. So pressing enter, query okay. Now I will write here show tables. You will see that now two tables are available. This is the simplest process of creating the table. I hope the table creation and database creation is clear to everyone. So we will see in the next video, and there we are going to start with the linking of table, adding the value in the table. So keep following the next videos. Thank you.